Hey, hello everyone. Myself Ganesh. I'm presenting you how to use the don't care condition in the KMAP in the subject of analog digital electronics, especially in the design of combinational and sequential circuit. Myself Ganesh and Naina welcomes you in the next video. So let's see what are the learning outcomes for this session. The learning outcome for these sessions are at the end of this presentation, the learner will be able to understand the don't care condition in the KMAP, how to use this, apply the don't care condition in the SOP expression, apply the don't care condition in POS expression, design XS3 code to BCD converter using KMAP design. What are the content? Introduction to the don't care condition for KMAP in SOP expression, don't care condition in KMAP for POS expression, XS3 to BCD code converter. Till now, the all Boolean expression which we have expressed, they are discussed completely specified. The output is specified, either it is a 0 or either it is a 1. Okay, so for each combination of input, we have a specified min terms and max term by representing 1 and 0. There may arise a case when the combination of input we not have a specified output, means output is not a 0 not a 1, that is output is in don't care condition. The combination of for which we don't have any output expression are called as the don't care combination. So for example, in 8421 code, this 1001 that is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, these are the invalid corresponding, the output is a don't care. Okay, in 8421 code, these don't care combination in the KMAP are denoted by the cross, so we have to use this is a cross symbol. Okay, this cross denotes the don't care condition. This cross denotes what? Don't care. So what are the general rules for the don't care condition? The general rules for the don't care conditions are, after forming the KMAP, fills the ones or zeros. So suppose it is a POS form, use zeros. Suppose it's SOP form, use ones. Okay, and corresponding min and max terms, fill cross, that is fill X at the position where don't care combinations are present. Now encircle the groups in the treating don't care condition as a 1 or 0, which helps to the forming the largest group. If the cross is helping you to the form a largest group, you can consider it as a cross as a 1 or cross as a 0 if it is going to help you in the combination. So it is up to you whether the cross is used to as a 1 or cross is used to as a 0, depending upon the combination requirements. But if it give the maximum combination, then you can use for your benefit. So no such group can be encircled with all element of cross. This is one rule. If any group cannot be combined with all cross together will not possible, at least there is a one or 0 in that group. Okay, so that is then only it is considered. Now still there is 1 and 0 left which don't have encircled for group. You can isolate that group individually. Okay, so write down the Boolean expression for each encircled group and final minimum expression can be obtained. So how to use this don't care condition in the SOP form? So I have this expression with me where the summation, that is indicates the min terms are given present as 1, 2, 5, 6, 12, 13 and 14, and don't care condition D indicates the don't care condition presents at 7, 10, 12 and 15. So obviously how many outputs, how many numbers are there? Up to 15, means it is a 4x4 combination. We have to use the 4 variables K-maps, so 4 variable K-maps. So MSB is on this side, A, B, and LSB on this side, CD. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, gray code. A dash, B dash, A dash, B, A, B, A, B dash, C dash, D dash, C dash, D, C, D, C, D dash, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Again, it is a gray code. So see, the output is 1 at the block number 1. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So output is 1 at 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 6, 12, 13, 14. 6, 12, 13, 14, output is 1, and don't care is at 7, 10, 12, 15. 7, then at a 12. Okay, 7, 12, sorry, it is not a 12, so 12 is already included there, so don't consider this as a 12, this is a 10. So 12, 10, 11. This is what? 11. Okay, so consider this as 11. So 7, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, 7, 10, 11 and 15. So 7 is a 1, 10 is sorry, 7 is a don't care, 10 is don't care, 11 is don't care, and 15 is don't care. Now how we can make a group? Can we, it is possible the group of 16? No. Can we make the group of 8? Suppose here it is a 1, then we can make it a group of 8. Whether the group of 4 is possible? Yes. So I am considering this don't care here 1. So I am combining this all 1 together. So it will give you my 1 combination. For the second one, I can combine this group of 4 together. For third one, I can combine this group of 4 together. But this one cannot be combined with any cross, but this can be combined with this one. So I can encircle with this. So there are how many terms? 4 terms are there. So this don't care is neglected. You can consider the don't care as a 0. So if you don't care is helping you in the grouping, then only include it. But you cannot make the group of don't care. We cannot make the group of this don't care together. Okay. So this is included. So for this red one, non-changing is AB. For this yellow one, on this side non-changing is B, on this side the non-changing is D. So output expression is AB. So for this blue one, output is CD dash. For this yellow one, non-changing B, non-changing D. So for this black one, here C dash D, and here the non-changing is A dash. So A dash C dash D. So this can be realized using 3 AND gate and 1 OR gate. 3 of 2 input and 1 is of 3 input. So that will give you the don't care. So we realize from this we can conclude, from this slide we can conclude that don't care condition can be used according to our convenience. If they are helping into the grouping, consider it as a 1. If they are not helping, this you don't bother about the don't care condition. So let's see the next example. In the next example, we'll write down in the POS equation the same expression, but here the max terms are mentioned. Okay, so 1, 2, 5, 6, 12, 13, 15 as max terms, and 7, 10, again it is 11. So it is 11, 7, 10, 11 and 15 are the don't care condition. So in the POS it is A plus B, C plus D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So A plus B dash, A dash plus B dash, A dash plus B. On this side 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, C plus D, C plus D dash, C dash plus D dash, C dash plus D. So if we enter all, okay, so if we enter the all max terms, so max terms is present, that 0 output is present as 1, 2, 5. So 1, 2, 5, 6, then at 12, okay, 13 and 14. Similarly here at 7, 10, 11. So don't consider it as a 12, it is 11. 7, 10, 11 and 15. So 7 don't care, 15 don't care, 11 don't care, 10 don't care. So now how we can make a combination? 16 combination is not possible. Combination of 4, yes, combination of 4 is possible with this. Then I can make this combination of 4, this combination of 4, and this 2 can be combined. So I can express for this red one, on this side non-changing is A dash plus B, here all are changing, so A dash plus B dash. For this group, for this blue one group, non-changing is C dash plus D, so into C dash plus D. For yellow one it is B dash plus D dash, and for this black one non-changing is on this side is A, and on this side it is C plus D dash, so A plus C plus D dash. So this can be implemented using the 4 OR gate and 1 AND gate. So this is this here again, if you see here clearly, this don't care is neglected. This is not included into any combination. So if the don't care is helping you, then you include in the grouping, otherwise you can ignore into the grouping. Okay, so let's have a reflection point. So I am giving you the examples over here. You have to write down the you have to recognize whether it is a POS or SOP form. Okay, whether it is a POS or SOP form, and then you have to answer this. Okay, so guess the output of following K-map. So can you guess the output of this K-map? So how we can make the combinations? So think over it, pause the video for some duration and write down the output equation. Hope you have written the answer correctly. So see, my answer is B dash plus D dash. Check your answer. So how this B dash plus D dash? Because I can make this group of 8. Similarly, I can make this group of 8. Okay. For this group of 8 I can write down non-changing element is b dash, and for this group of 8 I can non-changing element is d dash, so b dash d dash. Okay, so this is my output. Next equation, what is this, POS or SOP? 1 1 are written means this is in SOP form, this was in POS, this is in SOP form. So write down the output expression for this. Can you make a group of 16? Can you make a group of 8, 4, 2? Think over it. Okay, so write down the output expression. Hope you got the answer. So let's check what is my answer. My answer is only b dash. What is your answer? Please check it. So my answer is b dash. Why b dash? Because I'm combining these 4 elements with these 4 elements. Total is of group of 8. So non-changing on this side is what? B dash. So this don't care. We will not bother about this don't care. So neglect this don't care. So only output is what? By b dash. Next. Again, this is the with the 3 inputs. Okay, so again it is which in form, which is in POS SOP form. So I will write down the SOP expression for this. Pause the video for some duration and try to make the group of 8, 4, 2, 1. What is possible? So here again I make the group of these 2 together and these 2 together. So don't bother about all these others don't care condition. Then what is the output expression? On this side both are changing, but on this side non-changing is only b dash, so f is equal to b dash. Okay, so this is the possible combination. Let's have a next example. We'll solve the next example. So let me rub all this. Okay, so let's solve the next example. In this example we are going to convert, design XS3 to BCD converter. So XS3 code, what do you mean by XS3 code? Suppose BCD code is equal to 0000, then XS3 code will be 0011. XS3 name itself indicate it is increased by 3. It is increased by 3. But what we have to do, we have to design opposite code, that is from XS3 to BCD code. We have given the XS3 code and output must be BCD code. So we have to design the digital circuit. So corresponding to decimal number 0. So XS3 for 0 is 000 is not present in XS3 condition. Hence output will be don't care. 1 is also not present in the XS3 code because XS3 code starts at a 3. When XS code is equal to 3, that is 0011, the output is 00. Otherwise output is don't care. So all outputs will be at a don't care. There are 4 outputs because 4 digit XS3 code will represent a 4 digit BCD code. Okay, so 4 outputs are there and 4 inputs. Again, next combination is 00100. For this is a 4, means corresponding BCD is 1. So minus 3. 0101, this is a 5 minus 3, that is output is 0010. So corresponding outputs are written over here. Again, for a 13, if we go for 13 is for 12 is present. 12 is present and corresponding output is what? 9. 12 minus 3, 9 output in BCD. But if we go next, it is a 13 minus 3, 10, but 10 is absent in BCD. BCD will not take output 10 because BCD is from 0 to 9 only. So for this the output will be the don't care. So see that output is don't care for 0, 1, 2 and output is don't care for 13, 14 and 15. So we have to design the BCD converter for we have to design the converter for this. So let's see how we can design the XS3 to BCD converter. Let's come to the next video. Okay, so let's check how many outputs are here. In the outputs, total outputs are 4. So we have to make the K-map for Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, so Q0 is 1 K-map for Q0, 1 K-map for Q1, 1 K-map for Q2, 1 K-map for Q3, each of 4 inputs. Okay, so let's write down for the Q0. For the Q0, we will write down the corresponding zeros and one and don't care. So how we'll make the combination? So in this we can make this combination of these 8 together. And what will be the output for this? Non-changing on this side is D dash. All are changing, so non-changing. So Q0 is equal to D dash. Similarly for Q1, how we can write down? So Q1 elements are entered with the don't care condition output Q1. Check the block of Q1 here. Okay, so check the block of Q1 here. So don't care, 1 1 1 1, don't care, don't care, don't care. So corresponding are taken into the Q1. So we can make this group of 4, we can make this group of 4. So combining this together, so for first group of 4 it is C dash D, and for the second group of 4 it is C plus C dash. So this is nothing but XOR, C XOR with D. So if we check the XOR gate, so same combination we will observe. Okay, then we will write down for Q2. For the Q2 again we'll enter 1 1. So how we can make a combine? 4 group is not possible, so we have to make the group of 2 2. So sorry, this 4 group is possible, so this is a 4 group. Okay, again this corner can be combined with the 4 group, and this is of group of 2. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, this is a group of 4. So that can be reduced to circuit. So output for Q2. Okay, so let's check the output for Q2 can be written. Then let's see the Q3 output equation. So how we can write down the output equation for this? The output equation for this purple color combination, the non-changing element is C dash. Here the non-changing element is B dash. So B dash C dash plus, for this blue color non-changing element in this is B dash, and non-changing element in this D dash. So B dash D dash plus, for this 3 combination CD is non-changing and B is non-changing here, so it is B C D. So that will be my output. So similarly, so this is what Q2. Okay, similarly Q3 1 1 is written. So this is a group of 4 and this is the group of 2. This don't care cannot be considered. So A plus B, for this it is A plus B, and for this what is a non-changing? Here it is a non-changing CD, and here it is a non-changing A, so ACD. So we can design the circuit for this. Okay, if we design the circuit for this, so this will have a 4 inputs. Okay, this will have a 4 inputs with Q3 is equal to AB plus ACD, AB, so AB plus A plus CD. So this ANDed together and OR together. Q2 will be B dash C dash, B dash C dash plus BCD plus B dash D plus B dash D. It is bubbled here. Q1 is C XOR D, so XOR gate is connected, C XOR D, and Q0 is nothing but a D dash. Q0 is nothing but D dash. So with this we have designed the XS3 to BCD converter. So we have designed XS3 to BCD converter. So what is the significance of don't care? It is for simplification. Less number of logic gates are required. It reduces the power consumption in the circuit. Status in the code converter. It is very useful in the code converter and prevent of hazardous condition. Let us summarize. These are arises case when the given combination of the input we don't have a specified output, that is invalid input combinations. The combinations for which we don't have any output expression are called as don't care combination. You can treat don't care condition as a 0 or 1 as per convenience. Don't care condition simplifies the Boolean expression. It reduces the number of logic gates required. It reduces the power consumption, and especially it is useful in the code conversion. With this, thank you for now. Let's meet to next application of K-map for designing of different circuit. Thank you.